Welcome back to part 2 of the tutorial. Okay, in this part we're gonna build the fenders and start to build the side panels. Okay, we just need to bring these fenders in according to the front view. So you click that line, go edit, because the two lines are linked together. If you edit one, it will edit the other one as well. So you go to front view. Actually, we'll bring the four views up so you can see it easier. And actually, there's a tool that it's called move, and it will move, let us move and rotate. Okay, so we need to rotate that. So just bring that in and accept. Actually, if you rotate the point here and you click that point there, you can rotate. Just put it roughly where it is. Since the two lines are linked, the offset lines and the other lines will rotate as well. So we'll do the same here. Move curve, drag to the left, and rotate slightly. Okay, yep, there you go, that's more like it. Okay, so the next part is important. I want to build the side panel. The side panel connects with the roof panel, and there's a line that divides between them. That line is really important. That line is linked with many other lines. So that line here connects with the front wheel arches, and it connects all the way to the back of the wheel. So I'm gonna start by drawing the front wheel arches here. So yeah, it's takes a lot of time to figure that out, and I'm just telling you here so save you all the trouble. So I activate the right view and draw the curves over here. So we need to draw this curve, goes all the way down and bends forward. Now we go to adjust the curve. Okay, so when you have a really complicated curve, it's a good idea to put it on degree 5. I just read somewhere it's a good idea. Your curve looks a lot better if you have a degree 5. So just go in and try build your curves with the points evenly distributed, and also the gaps between the point and the line is fairly similar. You don't want a bit more very large here, very small, very large. Keep it in a nice flow. Like you want a gradual change across. So something like that. And we go to the front view and check it with the front view as well, and the top view. I'm just gonna pause the video and just skip through the amount of time I'm gonna do this, because I want to build this curve carefully. Okay, so just drag the points across. And make it match the blueprints. Yeah, so basically a good surface is make sure that the lines are beautiful. You want to get a nice lines. So yeah, how your car will look depends on your lines and points. Make sure the lines are nice. Okay, that's fine. Let's have a look. I think I need to bring it back, bring the back bits across more. Okay, so the next line is important. Next line is the line for the back of the car. Okay, so we just gotta show the back view and hide the front view. So go to view, click images, select the front view, hide, and click the back view, unhide, and accept. And we go to the style tool and we activate the back plane and turn on back view. Okay, so we're gonna draw the back. Okay, so turn on control points, delete unnecessary ones. Okay, so this point, alright, so we just gotta, because this line's gonna tangent across the mirror line, we gotta put the tangent on horizontal. And we'll put it about there. What else? Okay, one important point is for this point here, it needs to be right on, because we just draw it, it could be anywhere, it doesn't sit right on the middle plane. So you can go to points in the curve edit, you can change that to I know that point on the X is right in the middle, and I just put it in and that point will be right on in the middle. You can figure that out when you create that plane. Yeah, so yeah, when you draw the plane, you get the coordinates for that middle point. So the next part, we gotta adjust the top view as well. So when you draw your curves, check the top view, your other views as well, because they're just flat on one view. We'll just adjust the top view here, and that's fine. Let's have a look. Okay, right now we're gonna draw a line connecting the mirror and the side panel, and let's switch on to right view. Okay, basically this line travels from this side to here. So again, if you hold shift, it will snap on the point. And we want to draw a line from there to there, except. So this line is very important. It sits right there and it goes forward to about the front of the car, and we're gonna bring it closer to the top view. So there you go. This line here, this line connects with many other surfaces. So yeah, it's a good trick for anyone who wants to learn how to build a car. That line, yeah, it's just more important later on, and we just bring that up a bit more. Okay, so now I'm gonna build the side panel, the basic side panel. I'll bring the right view up, and this line I'm gonna offset it down. Actually, just make a copy, and I'll unlink it, because see the points are connecting to the lines. We gotta unlink them and we drag them down. Okay, so sometimes it doesn't work. We just gotta bring the other views up. And try to keep it straight. I'm not sure how to make it constrain horizontal. Just bring it down. And accept, that looks fine. So this is just needs to be flat here, just as the bottom of the car. And check with your front view and top view as well. So I have a actual model of the car, so I know this line is more straight on the top view, so it's not curved like that. So we just bring that across. Should be more. And yeah, it's just really flat here. Should be flat there. Be aware the blueprints are not 100% correct. They're often wrong, and yeah, sometimes you just got to use the judgment and use your own use your own eyes to adjust the surface and make it how you like. But to make a surface here, we're gonna draw a curve onto this line. You hold shift, make sure the point snaps on, and bring it to the right plane. Make sure it's nice and straight. We go to edit curve and bring it, make it horizontal. Okay, so just go to the front view. We just need to make that round, so it makes a nice round look on the car. So edit curve, put the control point on and make it slightly more round. And we're ready to make the surface. So just click this button here. So you have your outer lines and the center lines. Is that what they're called? They're called internal lines. So primary lines, and click on there. Click on the cross. Yeah, it's a cross section. So, and there you go. That's your car model. So what you can do, you can readjust it on the fly as well. So just go and edit that curve, and it will change. The surface will change to okay, that's it. So when we draw a surface, the key is to keep the surface basic, like a square shape with basic lines, and all the surfaces on the car are trimmed out, so the surfaces are usually larger than you think. So we're going to trim that surface and make it look like the car. So that's the end of this part. Follow the links and follow the links to see the other parts of the video. That's it for this part. See you in the next part.